And good morning, Facebook. How are we today? Another bright and sunny day down at the SimplyDiag Community Hub here in sunny Cheshire. And today, it's not sunny. It's a bit cloudy, a bit overcast, but nonetheless, it is shorts and flip-flops day. We've got a really cool day today. We've got one of our members, David Everson, over from Liverpool. He's coming down for a ride-along day. He's bringing a broken Citroen, of all things. So I wonder what that can be. So we're going to have a bit of a ride-along day today, a bit of training, a bit of tech support. The Zoom will be going on shortly for our members. It's going to be an awesome day. We've just been to Tesco's. I had to wait for Tesco's to open, so I've been to Tesco's, got some water, some posh coffee and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's going to be a brilliant day. Hub's looking nice. Turn you around, show you. There's a pickle Volvo there. Hub's looking really nice now. Nice and clean. Morning, Brian. How are you, mate? We're ready to rock and roll. I'm just about to start booting up the computers and all the scan tools and everything. Get the music on. Mopped the floor last night, so look at that. Beautiful floor, that. It makes me smile every time I see it. Morning, Jason. How are you, mate? Yeah. How's sunny Australia? It's the end of your day there, isn't it? Yeah, so we mopped the floor last night. And tidy shop, tidy mind and all that. Just getting prepared now, like I say, for when Dave arrives. Morning, Darren. How are you, mate? Had a little bit of a swap round yesterday. We've got to do a bit more cleaning, to be honest, today. We put the benches back where they were and the toolbox back where it was, out of the way, because we don't really use that box of hand tools anymore. Morning, Jody. How are you, mate? Got some custom bench covers coming for these, I think, courtesy of All Data. They're gonna get us some bench covers to go around to tidy it all up, to get rid of all the black plastic boxes. So it's going to be awesome. Can't wait. Four rights. Tell you what, if you live by that mantra, you won't go far wrong in your diag. I don't know whether anybody's seen, but shared a post this morning, and the next intake for Diag Tech and Master Tech at Tech Topics, 24th of July. You've got to be in it to win it. Come and join the 5% club. Morning, Jack. How are you, mate? You all right? Another day in paradise. Another day in paradise. Yeah. Next intake for Master Tech and Diag Tech. Post before this. I've shared the video and the link and all that. Get yourselves on it. Seen some happy smiling technicians on that video this morning. Brilliant. Be the best you can be, with arguably Mr. Diagnostic himself, Mr. James Dillon. Morning, Stephen. How are you? Right, so if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your birthday over the weekend, happy birthday. If it's been your birthday and I missed it, happy birthday. I'm always getting criticised for not doing birthdays, so part of the ritual now every morning. Chippy Friday, ride along. What do you think we might be having for lunch? Do you think we might have to break the diet? I think we might today. And over at the Chimes tonight, 4 p.m, at Pim's O'Clock, 4 p.m, Whitton Chimes, Northwich. Come and join us. It's going to be awesome. Have a brilliant Friday. Have a great Chippy Friday. Comment below with pictures of your Fat Fridays later on. Make me jealous. And have an awesome weekend. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. What chippy do I go? Jolly Roger up on Kingsmead, mate. It's awesome. It is really good. Can't recommend it high enough. Thanks for watching. Have a nice weekend. See you. Love you. Bye.